Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing an MCQ for 1 mark from the CBSE sample paper 2025-26. Let's look at the question. The sum of two numbers is 1215 and their HCF is 81. Then the possible pairs of such numbers are, which one of these options? Is it 2, 3, 4 or 5? Let's find out. Now they've given you in the question that the HCF of the two numbers is 81, which means that the first number will be a factor multiple of 81, which means it's 81 times x. And the second number will also be a multiple of 81, which will be 81 times y. Okay, so now they've also given you that the sum of the two numbers is 1215. So that is 81x plus 81y is equal to 1215. Let me take out 81 common out, and x plus y is equal to 1215, or x plus y is equal to 1215 divided by 81, which is equal to 15. Now I can write out all combinations of numbers, which gives me x plus y is 15. So 1 plus 14 is equal to 15. So the first combination is 1 comma 14. 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. 4 plus 11 is 15. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So these are the possibilities. Now here the next combination is 2 and 13, 3 and 12, 4 and 11, and 5 and 10, 6 and 9, and 7 and 8. Now they've given in the question that the HCF is 81, which means the first and the second numbers will have no other common factor other than 81 between them. So I cannot choose pairs which have a common factor between them here. Okay, so the correct options here would be 1 and 14 is perfect because they don't have a common factor between them. 2 and 13 is also fine because they don't have a common factor between them. But 3 and 12, no, it's not a pair which I can take because 3 and 12 have a common factor 3 between them. Then I could choose 4 and 11. 5 and 10, no, because they have a common factor between them. 6 and 9 is also not possible because they have a common factor 3 between them. But 7 and 8 is fine. Okay, so that means I have 4 pairs which are okay. So the correct option here will be option C. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.